Yeah, walang kaduda-duda naman, eh. Sa akin talaga directed yung kuwan na yan, eh, yung allegation na yan ni, Kong Richard.
And how did you feel when you read that, sir?
Ay nasaktan kaagad ako dahil kaibigan ko siya, eh. Honorary member ng klase namin. So dapat sana tinawagan na lang niya ako o kaya kinonfront na lang niya ako. Unang-una, this is a very personal attack. Napansin mo yung mga wordings niya, no? The terminologies that he used, talagang very personal, nakakasakit talaga. And second is sana punta siya sa Baguio para malaman niya kung ano talaga yung mga ina-allege niya tungkol sa siyudad ng Baguio. But nonetheless, alam mo, sabi ko nga, probably there's a reason why he was compelled to say that. Baka merong nag-pressure sa kanya, merong napagsabihan siya, kaya sabi ko nga, intindi na lang natin. Anyway, kahapon naman, nung nakita kami kahapon, he was with Lucy during a particular event sponsored by the European Union. This is about the circular economy. And he approached me, and I think it was a very kind gesture. So, wala, nag-reciprocate lang naman ako.
Yeah, I think you posted it on your Facebook account, if I'm not mistaken. Was there any talk, sir? Nagkaroon ho ba ng pasensya ka na? O ikaw naman kasi, nilalahat mo kami. What kind of talk happened?
Well, meron siyang nag-whisper siya kasi. Nag-whisper siya sa akin na parang in-acknowledge niya yung presence ko para mista. Tapos nakita ko naman yung mata niya. And I can feel naman yung sincerity. Kaya na lang, hinata ko na lang siya. Tapos hinag ko na lang siya para just to say na I acknowledge.
And that ends that, sir?
Yes.
All right.
Alam mo, siguro, sabi ko nga, Pinky, malamang he was compelled, he was pressured.